Hey babes, it's Ams and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to take your dip nails off very fast. So first I'm starting with some nail polish remover and acetone. Also I'm going to throw in just a little bit of olive oil. All of the measurements are going to be listed in the description box below, so please check that out. After the acetone and nail polish remover, I add a little olive oil just to make sure my skin isn't dried out. So I'm adding 2 paper towels, and this is going to help me scrub that dip powder off very quickly. So I'm going to use this bowl of hot water, and I put it in the microwave for about 2 minutes. I don't want it to be too hot because of course I don't want my fingers to burn, and that's going to literally make this whole experience horrible. But it has to be hot enough because you need the solution to warm up so it can dissolve the dip powder off your nails as quick as possible. So now I'm just scrubbing my nails in like a circular motion just to get the dip powder to dissolve. And one thing I will say that I wish I would have did, looking back now, I should have really filed the top layer of, I have a gel coat from the polish. And I thought because my nails were about, 3 weeks old that this would be a very, very fast process because they probably, they're ready to come off. But little did I know, definitely should have filed my nails first. So yes, I definitely recommend if you have a gel design on top and you had a top coat that you need to go ahead and take a nail file and file the top of the nail to get that first layer off before soaking. You do not need a nail drill for this at all. Alright, so now I'm just going in and any little bit of dip powder, just trying to buff also out the nail. This took under 10 minutes. I feel like this would have been even quicker if I didn't have the gel polish coat on top of my nails. Alright, so I have this Sally Hansen Cuticle Remover, and this stuff is amazing, especially after you take your nails off. You just have to put a little bit right there at your nail bed and scoot your nail bed back a little bit, and this gets rid of the cuticle so fast, and it just makes your nails look just a really clean, nice finish. Ever since I started doing dip nails, my nails are so much healthier. They're stronger, they feel good. Like, it's so hard for me to want to get acrylic because of how my nails have grown so much. I love the look of my nails now. I mean, they're just, man, they've came a long way, okay? Believe me, a long way since I had acrylic nails. I'm rinsing my hands after removing my cuticles, and of course this feels amazing. Just a little bit of warm water and just washing it all off. And I'm following up with coconut oil, and I'm going to use this as my moisturizer for my skin. But also I love putting this on my nails because if you didn't know, coconut oil is very great for your nails. It helps strengthen your nails, and it also helps with the growth of your nails. Overall, I feel like this process saved me a lot of time. It was easy to do, but one flaw would be the drying of the skin when you use this solution, because acetone dries your skin out so much. So you need the oil, but also try not to submerge your hand. Just try to put your fingertips in the solution and dissolve. So yeah, that's my recommendation. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you try this out, let me know. Thank you for watching.